Naka-Fortnite na tayo.
Okay.
Hello. Is there a slight change of company policy concerning use of the suit? No. After learning of an unfortunate incident at the sister location involving multiple and simultaneous spring lock failures,
Okay,
the
let's
company
lower him
is
into
deemed
cam.
temporarily unfit for employees. Safety is top priority at Spring Fazbear Teachers, which is why the classic suits are being retired to an appropriate location while being looked at by our technicians. Until replacements arrive, you will be expected to wear the temporary
If you
costumes
get jump
provided.
scared,
Keep in mind that they were found on very short notice, so questions about appropriateness/relevance should be deflected. I repeat, the classic suits are not to be touched,
it's only
activated,
the
or worn.
gameplay.
That being said, we are free of liability. Do as you wish. As always, remember to smile. You are the face of Freddy Fazbear.
It doesn't work. Yes, it worked. Oh no, video error. You can see what he's doing.
Paano ka mahuhuli dyan?
You should be on the door. Okay, nice.
Hello?
Damn. Palayo.
So you can go in.
Yeah, so he can ventilation nice. So he can, so he can go away.
Oo. Paano yung nangyari?
He's in the vents.
Ba't hindi mo inano?
I forgot.
Oh no.
So I'm gonna teach you how. So move right here. Then check the cameras. So he's there. So lower him onto cam 10
Nasaan
right
siya
now.
dito?
Here. So
Siya yun?
lower him to cam 10 and just play
Hello?
audio.
No, ba't sa cam 9 ka nag-hello?
Okay. That's actually Balloon Boys. Oh, nice Balloon Boy. There he is. Oh no.
Nasaan siya?
Oh no.
Dali!
Just seal the damn vent.
Paano isil?
Okay, nice.
Paano isisil yung vent?
Nasil ko na.
Paano nga? Yan siya.
Wala
ba siya?
Wala. Oh no.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, now you play.
How do I know the ventilation?
Just, if there's any error, just, nice. Check him.
Hello?
Paano?
Fix it.
Naku.
Okay, now you know, huh?
Sino si Zachary?
Oh my goodness.
Find him in any cameras.
Nasaan AJ? Asan? Paano isil yung ventilation? AJ!
Oh, shoot.
Asan?
Maktogel!
Oh my goodness! Ventilation error!
That's so damn creepy.
Siya lang ba dito?
Oh, no.
Oh, paano to? AJ!
Hintayin mo lang.
Oh, no. The damn spring bond is over here.
Ano?
Check him in the vents.
Asan?
Hi.
Check him everywhere.
Okay. Bilis!
Ayoko na! Do not erase Mr.
No, not me.
Check.
Asan siya?
Hindi pa patay! Hindi pa! Paano ba? Phantom!
I will die.
Don't die, don't die, don't die. Hurry, hurry. Just check him there.
Ayun siya.
No, he's not there.
Ayun na siya. Yun siya yun, diba?
No, that's not him. That's just a statue.
Ah, really?
Ano yung phantom?
Oh, that's him. That's him. That's him.
Where is
Kasi
he?
sa anong camp?
Hello?
Camp 10.
Where is
Okay.
he?
Andito na siya. Andito siya. Ayan, oh, ayan, oh. Kita mo yung mata.
Ayan ba?
Oo.
Siya na yan?
Maliit lang. Oh, shoot. He's in the vent. He's in the vent.
How?
Wait. Just seal the vent next to you.
How?
Just double tap. Double tap. Okay, nice.
Ayoko na, AJ! Stop this.
So how many?
Still there?
Okay, he's still there.
Seal mo yung belt.
Okay, he's here. He's here. What if we lure him in one? What if we lure him in one?
Oh, don't.
Lure him in.
Don't.
Yung vents! The damn vents! Hindi, it's okay. You're dead.
Ako na.
Okay, so that's